Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 30, 2024 to January 5, 2025. Ayan. So, this is a general reading. Take what resonates. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And of course, please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. That is your way to show your support to this channel, okay? So, let's see, Capricorn, this week, what's up? What's up with you, Cappies? Okay. Not for you. Oh my God. Capricorn, you are... Oh. Pasabog ang bago matapos ang taon sa inyo. O, tinan nyo. Not for you. You're going to let go of something. Iiwanan mo ang isang sitwasyon, bagay, relationship that is no longer serving your highest good. To focus on new life. Merong bago. May bago sa buhay mo ngayong week na to. And I think alam nyo na, yung iba sa inyo alam nyo na to. Nandun kayo sa transition period. You realize na whatever it is na ginawa nyo nitong 2024 or pinush nyo, sinubukan nyo, trinay nyo na magstay sa inyo, but it seems na it's not really working for you anymore. Okay? You are now gearing towards a new direction. It's time to go. Yung iba sa inyo, career. 10th house yan, no? 10th house of your career. So, whatever is no longer serving you, no longer serving you, hindi ka na masaya dyan. Or meron ka ng acknowledgement that it's not gonna work. Like, hindi ka na interesado, hindi ka na excited. Oo. Kasi meron ng bago. Okay? There's a new opportunity for you. Something that mas magbibigay sa'yo ng happiness. Something that will bring more color sa buhay mo. Mas magiging makulay ang buhay mo. Mas magiging masaya. So, I feel like there's some sort of excitement sa'yo ngayon about this new beginnings. Okay, let's see what else. You have the Three of Cups. Wow. So, this is a celebration, happiness, pagsasalo-salo with family. So, you might be spending your time with your friends, your family, your loved ones this week. It's like alam mo yung may nagse-celebrate kayo because of an achievement. May na-achieve. Yes. Oh. 'Di ba? The Tower, ikaw mismo ang bumabago ng direction mo. I think there's a new inspiration. This is a new career path for some of you. Wherein very excited ka to start. This can be a collaboration working with others. So, pwedeng this is a business na meron kang papasuking business partnership or trabaho, career path na yung mga makakasama mo, kilala mo na sila or familiar ka na sa kanila. So, parang you feel like mas masarap mag-work dahil doon. You're also going to pursue your passion, your talents, your skill set. So, if you are into creatives, marami kang creative work, creative na gagawin. Okay? Wow, you have the Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. So, Queen of Pentacles energy, definitely this is your energy. Someone who is very resourceful, someone na masipag, very nurturing din yung energy ninyo. You will also take care of yourself, your family. So, focus ka talaga on your resources this week. At kung saan ka mas magiging masaya, mas fulfilled. With the Nine of Wands here, ipaglalaban mo ang mga bagay na gusto mo para sa sarili mo. You will not settle for anything less than what you really deserve. Kaya ikaw mismo yung may gagawing pagbabago. Oo. Halimbawa, example na lang Sa paglipat ng trabaho, hindi ka lilipat ng trabaho dahil natanggal ka or ni-lay off ka. Lilipat ka kasi umalis ka dahil alam mo na hindi ka na masaya dun sa work na yon. Ganon. So, it's something that you took it with your own hands, na ikaw talaga yung gumawa ng action. Hindi lang siya response sa isang action na ginawa ng iba. Okay? Person of air, so you are really calculated ngayon, no? Lahat ng kilos mo. Person of fire, yes, you're also a person of fire who is very confident, entrepreneurial, very creative, strong-willed, so malakas ang loob mo. Mental force, grabe, ang lakas ng inyong mentality, Capricorn. It's like you are getting wiser, you are getting braver, you have this spiritual insights na parang meron kang certain vision na kaya ka nag-iiba ng direction is because nakita mo na yung future mo. Okay? Nakita mo na yung future mo sa situation na to, kaya iiba ka ng direction kasi mukhang walang future. And yung bagong direction na pupuntahan mo is you will go there because dun ka na mas nakakita ng future. You will also be more playful ngayong week na to. It's like going out, being with friends, having fun. You are coming out of your shell. You want freedom. Alam nyo, within 6 to 9 months, dito mangyayari yung transition. Kung gusto nyo ng freedom, yes, makukuha nyo na yung kalayaan na hinahanap ninyo. It can be a financial freedom for some of you. Some of you, maaring meron kayong parang hindi magandang desisyon sa pera, sa career path ninyo. Kaya may mga changes kayong gagawin. You are also going to invest on your skills. Kung ano man yung mga kaalaman mo na, kung saan ka na magaling, ano yung expertise mo, yun yung mas lalo mong paggagalingin. Oo. I-develop. Sa relationship, yung iba sa inyo ay connecting with someone who is your soulmate. Kaya lang meron deception dito. So, maaring the person that you're connecting with is hindi pa ganun ka open sa'yo, no? Or maaring meron pa siyang mga itinatago sa'yo. Or pwedeng ikaw, may mga tinatago ka pa sa kanya. Release. Sometimes the best way to grow is to simply let go. Yes, Capricorn. It's time to let go. Focus on the new beginnings, and be more excited para sa future mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best and see you again.